Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to post a poll on your Threads account. Now it's a very easy process. I'm going to show you this on a mobile device, so let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is open up your mobile device and head down to the Threads application. Now from out here you want to go to the little plus icon in the button of your screen in the middle. Now here you can create a new thread. Now from out here you have a whole list of options which you can choose from. Now here you can see the last option, which is the two stripes. Here you can actually make a poll. Now here let's make some answers. First make a title in your thread itself. So how are you doing, for example, and then press good, bad, and then you can add multiple options like okay and so on. Now it ends in 24 hours. Every poll on the Threads account will be available for 24 hours. From there you post it, and let's wait a couple of seconds till it is here, and here we can see it, and we immediately see the results ourselves, as you can see. Now it's easy as that. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me a lot, and thank you for watching.